One summer, when we were young, my mother took my sister and me to Paris, where we spent our days wandering the city, taking in the sights. For lunch, we would take a break in our explorations and find the nearest neighborhood market, where my mother would send me in with instructions to say, "une baguette, s'il vous plaît." I'm not sure if she was building my character or simply avoiding the potential embarrassment we risk when we speak French to the French. We would take the baguette along with some cheese or pâté to a bench by the Seine River, eat lunch and admire the scenery, boats on the water, artists drawing at their easels, an open-air market with vendors selling paintings, posters, books, and magazines. One park we visited had a pond where children played with their sailboats. We begged my mother for a boat so we could join them, and this time she gave in. We took our boat and set sail on the pond, where it promptly floundered. It just wouldn't float. At the time, I didn't realize we were playing in the Luxembourg Gardens, where I'm sure we stopped after visiting the museum. Unfortunately, the only culturally significant memories I have of that trip are seeing the rose window at Notre Dame and Winged Victory at the Louvre. But still, we will always have Paris.